Today, I'm taking a closer look at Google Fiber and sharing my honest experience after using it. Google Fiber is often advertised as one of the fastest and most reliable internet services in the US. But does it truly live up to the claims? Let's start with the basics. Google Fiber provides gigabit and multi-gigabit speeds with no data caps, making it an appealing option for heavy internet users, gamers, and remote workers. Installation is relatively straightforward, but depending on your location, the availability can be limited. The rollout has been slow, and some major cities still don't have access, which is a downside. One of the biggest selling points of Google Fiber is its speed. In my experience, the speeds are generally as advertised, with download and upload speeds consistently hitting or exceeding the promised gigabit levels. Unlike many traditional ISPs, Google Fiber offers symmetrical speeds, meaning your upload speed is just as fast as your download speed. This is a major advantage for anyone who frequently uploads large files, live streams, or works with cloud-based applications. However, speed isn't everything. Reliability is another crucial factor, and this is where Google Fiber performs well, but isn't perfect. In most cases, the connection is stable, with minimal downtime or slowdowns. But when outages do occur, customer service can be a hit or miss. Google Fiber support is mostly online-based, which can be frustrating if you prefer speaking to a representative directly. Pricing is another aspect that sets Google Fiber apart from competitors. There are no contracts, and the prices are fairly transparent with no hidden fees for installation or equipment rental. That being said, the monthly cost is on the higher side compared to some other fiber providers. While you get what you pay for in terms of speed and reliability, it may not be the best budget option for everyone. Now, let's talk about the Google Fiber equipment. The service includes a high-quality router and mesh Wi-Fi system, which helps deliver strong and consistent coverage throughout your home. However, if you have a larger home or multiple floors, you might still need additional extenders to maximize your connection. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the major downsides of Google Fiber is its limited availability. While it has expanded in some areas, it's still only accessible in select cities, leaving many people without the option to switch. This is a major disadvantage compared to nationwide providers. Another potential issue is the lack of bundled services. Unlike traditional ISPs that offer internet, TV, and phone services together, Google Fiber is strictly an internet service. While this isn't a problem for cord cutters who rely on streaming services, it might be a drawback for those looking for an all-in-one package. Overall, Google Fiber delivers on its promise of speed and reliability, but it's not without its downsides. If you live in an area where it's available, and don't mind paying a premium for high-speed internet, with no data caps, it's a great option. However, if you prefer a provider with broader availability, better customer service, or more bundling options, you might want to consider alternatives. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Google Fiber and what your experience has been like.